Art has always evolved. From cave paintings to the Renaissance, artists find new ways to express themselves. Today, a new era is here. AI art. Artificial intelligence is changing how we create and experience visual art. AI art generators are growing in popularity. Artists and enthusiasts are excited about the possibilities. AI art is not just about technology. It's about using technology to unlock creativity. It's about exploring new ways to express ideas and emotions. AI is a tool that empowers artists to push boundaries. How does AI create art? It starts with algorithms. Algorithms are like recipes. They tell the AI what steps to take. These algorithms are trained on massive data sets of images. This is called machine learning. The AI learns to identify patterns and styles in the data. When you use an AI art generator, you give it a prompt. This could be a text description, a sketch, or even a piece of music. The AI uses its training to generate an image based on your input. Creating AI art is an exciting journey. It opens up a world of possibilities where your imagination can truly run wild. With the right tools and techniques, you can bring your creative visions to life in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, AI art can offer new perspectives and opportunities for innovation. Here are some tips to get you started. First, always begin with a clear idea of what you want to create. Jot down your thoughts and sketch out rough ideas. This will help you communicate your vision more effectively to the AI. Start with clear prompts. Be specific about what you want to see. For example, instead of saying, create a landscape, you might say, create a sunset over a mountain range with a river flowing through it. The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand and generate what you're envisioning. The more detailed your prompt, the better the AI can understand your vision. Don't hesitate to include colors, styles, and even emotions you want the artwork to convey. This level of detail can make a significant difference in the final output. Experiment with different AI tools. Each tool has its strengths and styles. Some might be better at creating realistic images, while others excel at abstract art. By trying out various tools, you can find the ones that best match your creative needs and preferences. Explore various options to find the best fit for your creative vision. Don't limit yourself to just one tool. The diversity of AI art applications available means you can mix and match to achieve unique results that stand out. Don't be afraid to iterate. AI art generation is a process. You might not get the perfect result on your first try, and that's okay. Adjust your prompts, tweak the settings, and refine your approach. Each iteration brings you closer to your desired outcome. You might need to try different prompts and settings to achieve the desired result. Think of it as a collaborative process between you and the AI. Your input guides the AI, and the AI's output inspires you to refine your vision further. Remember, AI is a tool. Your creativity guides the process. The AI can generate images based on your prompts, but it's your artistic vision that shapes the final piece. Use the AI as a partner in your creative journey, not just a tool. Have fun and let your imagination run wild. The possibilities are endless when you combine your creativity with the power of AI. Embrace the process, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of creating something truly unique. Many AI art generators are available, each with unique features. These tools have revolutionized the way we create and perceive art, blending technology and creativity in unprecedented ways. Whether you're a professional artist looking to expand your toolkit or a hobbyist eager to experiment, there's something for everyone in the world of AI art. Here are a few popular options. DALL-E 2, known for its ability to generate highly realistic and creative images from complex prompts. Developed by OpenAI, DALL-E 2 can transform textual descriptions into vivid, detailed images, making it a favorite among users who need precise and imaginative visuals. Its versatility allows it to handle a wide range of styles and subjects, from photorealistic portraits to fantastical scenes. Mid-Journey, popular for its artistic style and ability to create stunning landscapes and abstract art. This tool excels in producing visually striking and emotionally evocative pieces, often with a dreamlike quality. Artists and designers appreciate Mid-Journey for its unique aesthetic and the ease with which it can generate complex, layered compositions. It's particularly well-suited for those looking to explore new artistic directions or add a touch of surrealism to their work. Stable Diffusion, an open-source tool that offers a high level of customization and control over the art generation process. Users can tweak various parameters to fine-tune the output, making it a powerful choice for those who want to delve deeper into the technical aspects of AI art. Its open-source nature also means that the community can contribute to its development, ensuring a constantly evolving and improving toolset. These are just a few examples. The landscape of AI art tools is vast and continually growing, with new programs and updates being released regularly. Each tool brings its own strengths and unique features to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for high realism, artistic flair, or technical control, there's an AI art generator out there for you. New tools are constantly emerging, making the world of AI art dynamic and exciting. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative and powerful tools to become available, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital art. This ever-evolving landscape offers endless opportunities for creativity and exploration, inviting artists of all levels to experiment and discover new ways to express themselves. Section 5: AI Art in Action, from screens to billboards. AI art is not confined to digital screens. It's making its mark in various industries, media and entertainment, creating realistic special effects, generating concept art for movies and video games, advertising, designing eye-catching visuals for posters, social media campaigns, and even product packaging. Fashion generating unique patterns and designs for clothing and accessories. AI is blurring the lines between art and technology, opening up new possibilities for creative expression. The future of AI in art is full of potential. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the integration of artificial intelligence into the creative process is becoming more seamless and sophisticated. Artists are now able to leverage AI to push the boundaries of their creativity, exploring new techniques and styles that were previously unimaginable. This collaboration between human ingenuity and machine learning is opening up a world of possibilities, transforming the way we think about and create art. We can expect to see more sophisticated AI tools. These tools are not just limited to assisting with the technical aspects of art creation, but are also becoming creative partners in their own right. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, providing artists with new insights and inspiration. This can lead to the development of unique artistic styles and techniques that blend human creativity with machine precision. These tools will be able to create even more realistic and complex art. Imagine a world where AI can generate hyper-realistic portraits, intricate abstract designs, or even entire virtual worlds with just a few clicks. The level of detail and complexity that AI can achieve is astounding, and it is only going to improve as the technology continues to evolve. This opens up new avenues for artists to explore, allowing them to create works that are more detailed and lifelike than ever before. New forms of art could emerge, leading to the creation of entirely new art forms that we can't even imagine yet. The fusion of AI and art is not just about enhancing existing techniques, but also about pioneering new ones. Artists and technologists are constantly experimenting with AI to discover novel ways of expression. This could lead to the birth of new genres and styles that challenge our traditional notions of art and creativity. AI tools can also make art creation more accessible to people who may not have traditional artistic skills. With user-friendly interfaces and intuitive design, these tools can democratize the art world, allowing anyone with a creative spark to bring their ideas to life. This inclusivity can lead to a more diverse and vibrant art community, where different perspectives and voices are represented. AI is not here to replace human artists. Instead, it serves as a powerful tool that can augment human creativity. By automating repetitive tasks and providing new sources of inspiration, AI allows artists to focus on what they do best, creating. This symbiotic relationship between humans and machines can lead to the production of art that is both innovative and deeply personal. It's here to collaborate and push the boundaries of what's possible in the art world. The future of art is one where human and artificial intelligence work hand in hand, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. Together, they can explore uncharted territories, challenge conventions, and create works that inspire and captivate audiences around the world. The evolving role of AI in art is not just a technological advancement, it's a revolution in the way we understand and experience creativity. The relationship between AI and artists is one of collaboration. AI is a powerful tool. However, it's the human artist who provides the vision and guidance. AI can help artists overcome creative blocks. It can generate new ideas and perspectives. Ultimately, it's the human touch that brings emotion and meaning to the artwork. The world of AI art is full of possibilities. It's a space for exploration, experimentation, and expression. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, AI tools can help you unleash your creativity. Embrace the AI art revolution. Explore the tools, experiment with different styles, and let your imagination soar. AI is transforming the art world. It's making art more accessible, diverse, and exciting. AI is a powerful tool for creative expression. It empowers artists to push boundaries and explore new frontiers. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and awe-inspiring art in the future. The fusion of human creativity and artificial intelligence is shaping a new era of art, one that is both exciting and full of potential.